Sofia, are you able to launch the PowerPoint code that you did with Matthew?
Yeah, I did it, but I haven't done it like with multiple questions.
Oh, you didn't do the multiple question, but you did the first trivia question. Okay, I see Rodrigo is back. Can you let's check if Rodrigo's microphone is working. Rodrigo, is your microphone working now?
I think so.
There we go. We can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yep, fantastic.
Right.
Rodrigo, can you launch your Python project and explain what you did with Matthew?
Which I did with what? With who, sorry?
You and Matthew worked on the trivia question, the trivia game. Can you launch your
yes.
Python project?
Well, kind of.
Yeah, also the
Yes.
Fahrenheit Celsius converter thing would also be cool. Well, whatever you got to show off, be good.
Wait me a second, let me launch it.
Yes.
I'm sorry, my internet is quite bad. I am using cellular data.
Oh,
so maybe
nope.
I can cut.
Okay. So do you need some time to straighten it all out, Rodrigo? We can start with the.
No, I think that I can.
Rodrigo, we can. Okay, good.
No? Okay.
It's starting, but
Wait
it's
a
still
second.
black.
Let me share all the data. Okay, do I show the interface?
Sure, Matthew,
Okay.
maybe you can sort of guide Rodrigo to present the project.
Yeah, sure. So this is code that Rodrigo, I think, made from scratch by himself, using some of the tips and techniques we taught over the first few weeks of class. If you want to show, I guess, how this works and explain why you're doing it, be cool.
Well, I first show how it's used.
Yeah.
For example, if I want to do a temperature conversion, I type 1 and enter, and it prompts this message. For example, Celsius to Fahrenheit. If I want to convert, for example, 21 Celsius, there 69.8 Fahrenheit.
Fantastic.
And then it restarts.
Fantastic. Okay. I didn't see this. I missed this application. Hey, Rodrigo, what inspired you to do this? This is a project you did on your own, no?
Well, I was like, yes.
Very cool.
Like I thought what kind of simple thing I could do. And I remembered that in the US you use Fahrenheit and what is it called? The Imperial System, or I'm not sure about that.
I think that's.
And I decided that it would be a good idea.
It's a great idea. I love your initiative.
Sorry?
It's a great idea. I really like your initiative. Matthew, we should, and Zheng, we should add this project to our courseware.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very good. Yeah.
Good entry project.
Yeah, that's pretty good project.
Let's critique Rodrigo's code, his Python code to make all of this work. Can you explain your code, Rodrigo?
Yes.
And explain so Sofia can understand.
Yes. Well, this is like this. These are the variables that I will use in the code itself. First, it is this is what makes the code repeat, so that it starts again here and like here. And then here I start. This is the first message, and then if what you type is 1, for example, sorry, if it is 2, it makes this no, and then it makes it prints this message from kilograms to pounds or vice versa, and then if the answer is 1, it makes this variable true, and if not, if it is 2, can you hear me?
Mm-hmm, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, and if not, if you type 2, it makes it false. Oh, and this variable is like to make shorter the code. It says please enter a value with no decimals. This is because it is designed to use values that have no decimals. I'm not pretty sure about how to make it that it works with decimals or no decimals. Maybe I could improve that in the future.
Mm-hmm.
Well, this is like only to inform the user about that. Then, if you don't type 1, neither 2, it prints that restart the program and tells you that you need to write a 1 or 2, no?
Great.
Then, here, if this is false, it means that you want to do pounds to kilograms. So it makes this code, it makes the conversion, sorry. And it prints the result. And if you want to do kilograms to pounds, it does the opposite and prints the result.
Cool.
Then it's the same for Celsius and Fahrenheit.
Huh. Very clever.
In this part.
Okay. Well,
I think that so.
Very good, Rodrigo. Okay. So, Zheng, would you like to
Yeah, okay.
picture of what you're doing and then continue where you left off from last week?
Sure, definitely. Okay. Yeah, so one quick comment about Rodrigo's code. So that's very nice and clean. But one question is, in Python, when we use something like the if statement or while statement, the parenthesis is not necessary. That means you can remove all of your parentheses. Yeah, so that's not a very important simple, but if you, maybe I can do some quotes. Yeah, so that's okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, here. So you can remove it. Yeah. So only in some occasions, that situation that if you have two statements together, so for example, you need to make sure that your temperature conversion type equal to 1 and call C to F equal to true. So in that time, when you combine with two statements, that will be better to use the parentheses. Yeah, that's just a quick suggestion. Yeah, but the code is very clean and nice. Yeah. Okay.
Good.
I like how you use comments to like explain the different parts of the code. That really makes it like easy to understand what's happening, which is good. Well done.
Yes. Okay. Rodrigo, maybe you can stop sharing your screen, and I will sharing my screen. Okay. Yeah. So from last week, we have a very quick and very rough thinking about how the image processing is. So for example, given pictures like this, so we have right now we only cover about the black and white image, and we want to convert the pictures to another style. For example, the style that's an invert. So today, rather than just looking the code, we will lead you guys to write the code together. Yeah. So the first step is that I will send you guys a code called lab.py, and then you can just open it. Yeah. So maybe, yeah. So maybe I can, yeah, I will give you guys right now. Yeah. So maybe I can give you guys by Zoom. Yeah. So chat. I can just send it in chat. Yeah. And make sure that you can open it. Yeah. So let's review the steps. So I will make some quote annotation and a quote for that. Yeah. So so we all know the composition of the pictures. Oh, sorry. For example, reminds about the. Yeah. So given a picture like this. So here. Yeah, we know that for one pictures, maybe like this. So that will be composed of the different dots. Yeah. So for example, if that's just we zoom it as a very huge picture with only 9 dots. Yeah. For example, for each color that represents a number. So so maybe this is 25. This is 37. This is 86, or this is 1, etc. Yeah. So that will compose of one pictures. And for the image processing tools, we will make sure that the pictures will look like a new pictures. So the first steps that we need to do is to creating an empty pictures with all of the number with 9. Oh, sorry, with 0. Yeah. So the first step is creating such an empty pictures. Yeah, so that's the first steps. I will write it here. Yeah, creating new pictures. Yeah, and we all know that the second steps for our job is to convert those numbers to the new numbers. Yeah, since if for our invert functions. So the original pictures, we can define them as C. So the new C will equal to 255 minus C. Yeah. So for example, so if that's 25, so this will be 230. And if that's 37, so that will be 218. And then etc. Yeah, so each of the number will be converted to C will equal to 255 minus C. Yeah, so that's the second steps. So that's called use a for while loop. For loop to traverse every pixels. So that's the second step. And the third step is to assign the new number C equal to 255 minus C. And the fourth step is just return that new pictures. Yeah. So today we will write the code for these steps. Yeah. So your first task is open the lab.py file that I just sent in the group. Yeah. So yeah. So Rodrigo and Sofia. So maybe you can open that file. Yeah. If you have some problems opening that file, just tell me. Yeah. Okay, so no problems about opening the file. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so when you open the file, you could see 5 helper functions. Those helper functions is that we defined together last week. Make sure that it will be better and helpful, easier for us to knowing the code. Yeah, so we will try to, yeah, sorry, the background is not that clear. I might switch to a clear background. Okay, here. Yeah. Okay, here. Okay, so when you open the file and looking for the function define inverted image, that's on the line 45. Yeah. So our task is to write the function for inverted together. Yeah. So that's the agenda for today. Yeah. So right now, that's only return. So based on our 4 steps, the first thing that we need to do is to create a new image. So maybe we can give the name of result as a new image. So the result equal to new image. So yeah, so oops. So that's yeah, here. Yeah. So why is the new image? So the new image is the function that we defined just from last week. Yeah. The idea is it will return image, but all of the number will set to 0. Yeah. So here you can see that the val equal to 0. So all of the number will set to 0. Yeah. That's the first step. Yeah. We just done it. Yeah. So the second step we need to do is based on here. Oh, any problems or questions? Sofia and oh, no problem. Okay, so let's continue. Yeah. So the next steps is to make sure that we can traverse to each of the number. Yeah. So for a very large pictures, maybe we have a lot of pixels. So we need to travel to each of the pixels. So maybe pixel 1 through 2, 3 until 9. Yeah. So how the code looks like. So we will write it like for x, comma, y in get chords. Get chords also has an input called image. Yeah, here. Yeah. So why we can use the get chords? Since get chords is that we defined from last week. Yeah. So you can see that from the get chords, the code for y in range image height, for x in range image width, yield the different chords of the x and y together. Yeah. So when we use these functions, so we can travel to every x and y. So yeah, so that's the second step. Yeah, do you have problems till now? Okay. Yeah, if you have problem, just interrupt me, or if you have some problems how those functions looks running. Yeah, if you are confusing, you can just anytime to interrupt me. Yeah. So the second helper function that we need to use is get chords. That's here. Yeah. So these functions will make sure that we get any pairs of x and y composition. Yeah. So the third steps we need to do is we need to get the original pixels. Yeah. For example, for original pixels, so yeah, here that the number will be 225. So we will get that number. So how to get that number? We should define a new name called colored. and the color equal to get pixel. And then we have 3 inputs. The first one image, second one X, third one X, Y. Yeah. So this image X, Y will make sure that we can get the value of 25. So why the get pixels works, so the original code is here. So it will given an X and Y, it will return a pixels in the values and use the get index function. So the get index functions will make sure that we get the index of the pixels array. Yeah. So the third steps, yeah, we almost done. For the third steps, that's the third step is C equal to 255 minus C. So we can define a new color. Yeah, new color equal to 255 minus color. Yeah, that's here. Yeah, so that will make sure that the 255 will change to 230. Oh, sorry, 25 will change so that will be 255 minus 25, that is equal to 230. Yeah. So yeah, so we just finish these steps. And the next thing that we need to do is set this number to our empty pictures. So the intention is to changing the 230 replace the 0 to the 230. So the code will look like this: set pixel, and then set pixels. We need 4 results. The first one the 4 inputs. The first one result as the image name, and the second one and the third one as the coordinates. And also we need the new color. Yeah, so that's, so we just finish this step 3, and then we need to return the result. So we're almost done. So let's check about our code. So maybe at the bottom of your line, maybe that's at line 163. So you will see that we have 3 functions. So the first one, load functions, I just load a random pictures, maybe called a lion, and then use our inverted function to that pictures, and then we save that pictures. So let's run the code. Okay, that's already been run. So let's saw what's the amazing result of our code. Yeah, so that's lion 2. Oops, that's a very weird and scaring lions. Yeah, so let's make a comparison how the original lions looks like. Yeah. So test the image. So here, that's the original lion. Yeah, so that's a color image. Yeah. Okay, so Sofia, yeah, do you have problems? Yeah. So what's your
good questions? I didn't have time to copy the part that says return.
Oh, you mean you have not finished doing the code here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I already finished it, but
Okay.
I have another question that is, how do I get the lion?
Okay, so I sent you guys a code. The name is project, I think, and inside of the picture project there is a files called test underline images. There is a bunch of different pictures, so you can choose the different one. Yeah. So your task is the first thing is to set your lab.py in the project file. So the project file is the file that I sent to you maybe at the first class. Yeah.
Yeah, I already got the image. Thank you.
Okay, perfect. Oh, you got the image. Let's show us. Okay, so could you show us how your image looks like? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, you can share your screen. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that's okay. Perfect. Yeah. That's the original lion. Or could you run your code? Yeah. Yeah. Run with module. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Save it. Yeah. Okay, so okay, so maybe you have a problem about the modules named Pale you did not install. So the thing you need to do is open your terminal. So so that's just the that's the how to say black square terminal. Yeah, come on, open the ultras. Yeah, terminal here.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. So after you can just install. You can input the. Oh, sorry. Just open your terminal. Yeah, and then we need to input something inside of the terminal. Yeah, you just yeah. Okay. So the thing that you need to input is PIP. PIP. Yeah. Oh, sorry, PIP, yeah. Oh, PIP, I like interest, interesting, yeah, interesting, yeah. Yeah, perfect, install, yeah, space install, yeah. And then uppercase P, yeah. Yeah, and then one more space, yeah. One more space, yeah. Okay, perfect. And then P. So that's uppercase, yeah. Okay, yeah. And then small, lowercase, yeah. I, L, L, O, W. Okay, and then press return, yeah. Just press return. Oh, sorry. You can keep opening. Yeah, here. Just press the return button in your keyboard. On your keyboard. Yeah. Not click something on the screen. Just press return. Okay. So pip is not installed. Okay. I have one more ways. So the ways is I will copy the command on our chat box. Yeah. On the chat, you can just copy it and paste it on your command. Yeah, I just send it by chat. Yeah, check your chat. Yeah, maybe you should click the chat. Oh, so that's chat. Yeah, that's Zoom chat. Yeah.
So I have to go to what chat?
Oh no, just a Zoom chat. Yeah, so Zoom.
So it looks like you clicked on the link just now.
Oh yeah.
You want to copy and paste the whole message that Zheng said. So copy
Okay.
the whole thing and put it in the terminal.
Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, thanks, Matt. Yeah, and then press return. Yeah.
Which button is return?
Press return on your keyboard.
Might say enter.
Oh, enter. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's it. Okay. That looks like a successfully and then you have another name. You should just copy another name. Yeah, Python get pip.py. Yeah, I also copy it at the at the chat box. Yeah. The same, just copy the Python get pip.py and paste it on the command. Yeah, and then press enter. Yeah. Okay, that's still loading. Yeah, so I think okay, so that means that's successfully installed. Okay, and then you can close your terminal, and then just go back to your lab.py and then run it again. Yeah. Okay, run the module. Okay, so there is I see no module called Pale. Pale. Or maybe you can replace Pale to Pillow. Yeah. So go back to your first line of your code. Yeah, no, not here. Just the code lab.py.
So
yeah.
by doing these two lines, we got her pip, right? Does that mean she still hasn't gotten pillar, right?
Oh, I just lead her to install Pillow. Yeah. So
Oh,
this.
Pillow is within the get pip UI.
Yeah. So the get pip is to get pip is to and then okay. Thanks for your reminder, Matthew.
Okay.
Yeah. And then open your terminal. Yeah. Terminal again. Yeah. And not here. Yeah. Just the terminal, and then just press Pillow, pip install Pillow again. Yeah. So sorry. Maybe that's all lowercase. Yeah. Install Pillow. Yeah. Pillow uppercase. Yeah. And
2L.
yeah, 2L. Yeah. Okay. Press enter. Yeah. Oh, pips. Oh, that's very weird. Pips command not found. But we have one more thing. So just replace pip to pip3. Yeah. PIP3. Yeah. And then install Pillow. Yeah. I think that works. Okay, perfect. That works. So for the new version of the MacBook, that means that we use Python 3 rather than Python 2. So if we just use pip, that's loading Python 2 version. Yeah, and then you can go back to your lab.py file. Yeah, and then run the module. Yeah. Okay, so that's because of your there is no error anymore. So the error is because of the typo. Yeah, so we just check it. So that's on the line 164 line. Okay, so the problem is you did not just put the lab.py in the project file. Could you double check that you put the file in the right file? Yeah.
How?
I sent you guys a file called project maybe a few weeks ago. Yeah. So could you open that file? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where is it?
Okay, maybe if you don't. Okay, perfect. Great. So just open the project file. It may be project 5. Yeah, okay. Open it. And then you need to do is to put the new lab.py into your project 5 file folder. Yeah. The new file. So you write it today. Yeah. So the lab.py. Yeah. The file at the.
How do I do that?
Maybe you can save it and close the lab.py and then just put it into your project 5 file. Yeah. Okay, maybe the first line. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just drag it into, not like this. So go back to your, no, not here. So go back to your upper lab. Yeah, here. So drag your lab parentheses 1.py. Yeah, this one, drag into your project 5. Yeah. Project 5. Yeah, okay. Okay, perfect. And then open this file. Yeah. Okay. And then maybe you should close the original, the last old version. Yeah. Close it. Yeah. And then just run it again. Yeah. Okay, so that's success. So the next thing you need to do is go to the folder. Yeah. I mean the MacBook folder, just the project 5 folder. And then you can saw the line under line 2. Yeah, just open it. Okay. Yeah, so you're successfully doing that. Yeah, congratulations. Yeah. So how about Rodrigo? Yeah. Any same questions?
Yes, one.
Oh, you have a problem?
Yes, only where am I supposed to write that string to?
Could you share your screen?
Yes, but
Okay.
where am I supposed to write that you write it with Sofia to install the pillow.
Oh, pillow. Okay. So just share your screen. I will lead you guys to lead you how to install pillow. Yeah.
Okay, so
So you don't have pillow installed. Yeah. So
No.
just open your terminal. Yeah. Yeah. So the terminal is at the Docker. Yeah. So the Mac Docker. Yeah. So it's called terminal. Yeah. I don't know. It's not here. So how to say? Could you share? Here. Yeah, perfect. And then finding one project called other. Yeah, maybe at the first slide rather than the second. Just move it to the left slide. Oh, left. Maybe to the yeah. Okay, perfect. And then open the others. And then terminal, here. Yeah, perfect. And then just input I can copy, you can just pip install pillow, Pillow, just press enter. Okay, so also not found. So you can just the same step. So the first step, just copy and paste the line that
Try the pick 3 first, right?
Oh yeah, pip3 maybe first. Yeah, just replace it to pip3. Yeah, thanks Matthew. Yeah.
Right.
Like this?
Yeah. Try it. Okay, I think that works. It's still loading. Yeah. Okay, so that's on the right track. Yeah. Have you finished your code in the lab.py file?
In the what?
Your lab.py file. Yeah, I mean, just we write the code together just now. We wrote the code. You can open that lab.py file. Yeah, not so you can close your terminal right now. Yeah. So the terminal is not. We will not use it anymore. Yeah. So the lab.py. So I just send it to you. Yeah. Okay.
This one.
Yeah, this one. Just open it.
I think it is this one. Or
can
I
you?
have several.
You can't open it.
Yes, but I have several copies.
Okay, maybe you can check which one you wrote it today. Yeah.
This one.
Okay, if this one, just open it. Yeah, and then okay, so yeah, and then you should do is to put it into your project file. So the project file is what I gave it to you maybe a month ago at the first class. Yeah, the file called project. Yeah.
Okay, let me search.
Okay, no problem. Project.
This one?
Okay, perfect. Yeah, maybe this. Yeah, just open it and check it. Yeah, and then you should do it. Oh, not test image, but the project. Maybe to the upper level of the file. Yeah, not this one. Not the test image is in the project. Maybe click the project. Yeah. Click the yeah, perfect. And then you should do is replace the lab.py that you write today and put it into your project folder. Yeah. Maybe you should use search again and then finding the lab.py and then drag it to your file. Yeah. Folder. Yeah.
Wait.
Or you can save it at the desktop and then drag it from desktop. Yeah, That will maybe a easier way. Yeah, both way that works. Yeah.
But what? What I
Okay.
need to
I mean, save the file. Yeah, maybe save it at the desktop. Yeah. Save the lab.py file in the desktop. Yeah. Yeah. Take your time. No worry. Okay. This way, that's also work. Yeah. So if you find the lab.py file, oh, no found. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then drag it. So check which one is right, and then drag it into the project folder. Yeah.
Maybe this.
Okay. Maybe you just drag it rather than open it, since we should make sure that. Oh, maybe not this one. Maybe that's the wrong. Yeah. So maybe not this one. Yeah. Maybe this
It is
one.
possible that I didn't save it.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Also, if you don't save it, no problem. So I will send it to Zoom again, and then just make sure that you save it, and then yeah, I will send it to Zoom. Laptop.py. Yeah, I just send it. Just make sure that you open you. Yeah. Okay.
It's in this.
Yeah, this one. That's perfect. Yeah, that's the right one. Yeah.
Okay, so I should. Wait. Take it from no.
Yeah, just save it in the project file.
Excuse me.
Okay. Yeah, replace it.
Replace.
And then reopen it. Close the old version and then reopen the new version. Yeah. And maybe you need to close the old version. Yeah. Yeah. And then run it again. Maybe no, I think. Since the yeah. Run it again. Yeah. Run it by module. Yeah. Okay, so that means maybe some of the, let me double check for it. Save file, so non-type image. Okay, so could you open your project file again? Yeah.
This
So
or
on the close project folder. Yeah.
Yes. It is here.
Yeah, here. Yeah. Project folder. You just okay, perfect. And then I think could you open the test underlying images? Okay, there is a full name called Lion. So I think maybe the problem is because of your code rather than the this project. Yeah, so maybe that's right. So can you go back to in your lab.py? Can you go back to your last part? Yeah, just go to the save. Yeah, here. Yeah, save image b lion underline 2 test. Oh, I think can you run it again? Yeah, just run it again. Run the module. Run the lab.py. Yeah. Save. Yeah. Okay, that's indentation. I think that's. Can you go back to the top of your code? Maybe yeah, here. Yeah. So import math, you have one more space. So save it again. Yeah, and then run the module.
It is speaking.
Okay, so this is one more problem. So save image. Okay. Can I saw your code? So maybe there will be some problem about your code. Yeah. Can you go back to the code that you write today? Yeah. Yeah. Open your just show us your lab.py, the code that you write today, the define inverted. the function called define inverted. Yeah, maybe to the up of your code.
Isn't
Scroll up. Yeah, a little bit up until we saw the inverted function.
it is up?
Yeah, up.
I
Okay, maybe a little bit down. Yeah.
It is the one that I didn't say.
Oh, go a little bit down. Yeah, just okay. The problem is you did not save the code that you just wrote. Yeah. So the answer is I just send the new version of the laptop.py and then you put it into the project folder. I think it's successfully running it. Yeah. I think I just send it into the chat, Zoom chat. Yeah. You just put the new. Yeah.
This.
Yeah.
You're recording the meeting now?
Yeah.
Well, I could like rewrite it.
Okay, you can also, okay, if you can rewrite it, it will be better, yeah. So could you stop sharing and then I will go back to the contents about next week, yeah. So just a quick reminder of our content next week, yeah. So for today, we have a very good, so we have a very good progress that since we finished the first part of the inverted. So for the next week, our job is to write some more advanced code. So maybe I can give you guys a little bit of hint beforehand. So when I open the demo.file, yeah, so the demo, so maybe that's the code that we need to work for next week. And then when we open it, so the new functions that we define, it's called blurred. Yeah, so that's very clearly and easily defined. So that's just blur the image. So given the image, maybe we can choose an arbitrary image. Maybe that's called one.png. Yeah, maybe this image. And then after we run the code, let's saw the result of the code. Yeah. So yeah, so that's the one. Okay. Okay. So have you guys find some difference comparing with the left one and the right one? Yeah. So you can see that the code at the left, that's very, very clear, but the code at the right, that's very vague. Yeah, so that's not that clear. So next week, we'll learn some code about that. And we can run more tasks. For example, maybe this is called a spiral check. Spiral check. So that's a very cute bird. And then if we run it again, so what's the amazing effect of it? So this is the original one, and this one, that will be the version that we modified. Yeah, since we did not cover the since we did not cover the black and white image, the color image, so we just know how to do it with the black and white. So let me run it again. Okay. Yeah, so that will be easier to comparison. Yeah. So the left one is the original pictures and the right one is the pictures that we modified. Yeah. So our next week, we will learn how to write code for that. Yeah. Okay. So I think you guys do good job. Yeah. Okay.
Fantastic, Zheng, Matthew, thank you. And Sofia and Rodrigo, I salute your courage here. Python is not easy. Python is definitely not Scratch.
Yeah.
Zheng, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Very welcome. Yeah. Good job,
you,
Rodrigo
Matthew.
and Sofia. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank,
Great. And Wubing and Bing, thanks for sitting in.
thank you.
Talk soon. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye, Matthew. Bye, Zheng.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
See you.